press the bell icon and never miss a single Quick Reaction Team video.
How to impress a girl who is already committed?
Oh my god, that's...
Wait, shut
Don't.
Whip your up. Oh, I can't say that.
That's too easy, yaar.
Hello and welcome back to India's best street interview YouTube channel, Quick Reaction Team. So this time we have taken your comments to the streets of Pune. So guys, like always, sit back, relax and let us see how the Punekers respond to your questions. So there's this first guy, he wants to know how to impress a girl who is already committed.
Impress.
Prove it to her that you're smarter than her boyfriend.
Food.
Give her a pizza, I guess.
Oh no, work on yourself. Make a better self of yourself.
I think he should do the things her boyfriend doesn't do.
कुछ तो tips दो यार.
Give up, please.
Give up.
Or wait for it.
If a girl is committed,
Maybe some.
I think a pizza is a good. You don't.
you should figure out ki the guy that she's already dating, you know, if he's not cool in something, you should probably try.
If he is able to find out his weaknesses, the boyfriend's weaknesses.
Announce that. बता देना चाहिए जो नहीं तेरे
Announce
boyfriend
nahi. Indirectly probably he should convey all those facts.
You shouldn't go for it.
Stay normal if you want to talk and be friends to her.
Should a guy really approach or a girl who is already into her?
Yeah, why not?
She's committed, dude.
So what? Like
She will not.
I'm sure
नहीं करना चाहिए.
she's also probably looking for options.
No, not all girls.
Get the guy in the same room with her and diss him, that and prove you're smarter somehow, so she changes allegiance. So there's another person, he's giving a situation. So he's saying, I just saw a couple fighting at a bus stop where the girl was crying very badly and the guy was shamelessly smiling. Alright, what would you have done if you were to witness that?
He can go.
Ask the girl what happened, and if it's the guy's fault, then like shout at him.
Why are you smiling? Huh? What would you have done if you were to witness that?
Nothing. It's their personal matter.
I don't know, you can go ask the girl what's wrong.
I wouldn't shout at him because like क्या करूँगा मैं? But like see what.
Don't really shout either.
I can't shout too.
I would have observed maybe, I don't know.
I would not interfere. I don't think any of us. Who knows what the situation is like?
I would slap that guy.
Punch the guy in the face. I don't know. Enjoy that thing.
You never know because she can be a drama queen.
So what I would do would be like not interfere, but since like I'm pissed off because like what kind of a guy are you? So I would purposely make like a situation or like take my friend and like pass by them and pass a comment loud. No, not right now, but like since I'm already pissed because she's crying and you're laughing, what kind of an ass are you? So I would like pass by and make a kind of a rude comment so that he hears it. Yeah, that's it.
If a baby's legs pop out at 11:59 p.m. and his head at 12:01 a.m. कौन से डे पे यार बर्थडे होना चाहिए यार? 11:59 वाला क्या 12:01?
Wow.
It depends on the mother and father.
You can maybe toss it off.
Doesn't the baby's head pop out first?
The previous day
Previous day?
when the legs popped out.
12:01. Next day, obviously.
The next day when the head pops out.
My baby पहले तो पैर भरा है तो मैं डॉक्टर बोलूँगा क्या हो रहा है?
I think head like when he's completely out. Yeah, आधा क्या है?
But the head comes first, right?
But apparently इस baby के legs पहले आ गए.
अच्छा तो वो उल्टा ही पैदा हुआ है.
हे भगवान. Alright, there's another person. He wants to know that what is your biggest failure and what did you learn from it?
Such life questions.
Such life questions.
So.
Whoa, deep.
थोड़ा सा deep हो गया.
There have been many failures.
This guy. Because I've realized anywhere I go, this guy has always brought bad luck upon me. And I've realized to choose my friends very clearly.
Certain career choices at some points of our lives. Yeah.
I had no staff, so we were like two of us running the whole show.
I had to deliver a speech for Independence Day in my school, and instead of saying 60th, I ended up saying 60th.
My biggest failure was making this guy my wingman. He ruins me in front of the women.
Did you realize it?
Yeah, at that moment, I just like continued with it because I'm like, please nobody notice, but everybody did notice, yes.
One final question. What was the last thing that you did for your parents? उसको क्यों देख रहे हो यार? क्या किए parents के last thing?
Okay.
Yes.
I'm a horrible child.
I think the least I can do is score good marks. That would make them happy.
I'm studying.
You're studying.
I made a portrait of my mom on her birthday.
I gave them a call.
The last thing I remember doing was washing my clothes myself. Yeah.
Just give them time and like yeah, and also be felt special because it's like yeah, I mean they also treat you like हफ्ते में एक बार घर पे बैठा है तो बस जो चाहिए तू खा बोलेगा वो बनाएंगे हम और whole time with you.
I gave my mom a foot massage.
Oh yeah, I keep giving my dad.
Must have liked it, loved it.
Yeah. I got paid.
I sent my mom some books.
Sent some books.
Yeah.
Did she like them?
Yeah, she did.
I gifted my mom a necklace, I would say, on her birthday. Yeah. So actually my birthday is right next to my mom's birthday.
Just yesterday, actually, I just left my house to come back here to study. So I gave my mom like a really tight hug because she was kind of going through some emotional pain. I mean, with her friends and stuff. So I told her everything's gonna be all right. And I think that was probably a really good moment I had with my family after a really long time.
So did you guys enjoy our today's video? Go and press that like button right now. Also let us know that in which city do you guys want to see us next. Now check out the super cool feature on your mobile phone. So click here to see our latest video. Click here to see one of the best videos of QRT and click on the circle so that you can subscribe to our channel and you can get all our fresh videos first on YouTube. I'm gonna see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, take care and goodbye.